Are you looking for the peace and tranquility that comes with these oversized East End buried lots, or the mature, tall trees and friendly neighborhood streets?
Or how about a location like this? You're literally a 5 to 10 minute walk from your front door to Barrie's spectacular North Shore Trail, and of course, looking behind me here, spectacular Kempenfelt Bay. All that and more on today's episode. I'm here in Barrie's coveted East End, and this East End location here is full of peace and charm and tranquility and mature trees. Now, speaking of mature trees, Brendan, nice to see you.
Steve, you aren't kidding. Barrie's East End is one of my favorite neighborhoods here for so many different reasons. But top of that list is just the proximity to pretty much everything you need day to day and all of those conveniences. We're a short 5-minute drive away to Georgian College. We've got RVH, so the hospital's right there as well. Perfect if you're working or studying at either one of those locations. Just a couple minutes further, we've got North Barrie Crossing for all of your grocery, day-to-day amenities, as well as dining and even some fun. We got the cinema there. And then for you commuters, maybe cottage goers, we've got Highway 400 and 11 just around the corner. So nice and easy for those escapes in the early morning or on Friday to head north to the cottage.
Yeah, you betcha, Brendan. Now, the other thing we can't forget here is there's the East End, and then there's this quiet and more mature part of the East End here. Look at these lot sizes here. We have stunning mature trees, oversized frontages here. In fact, this lot is 75 feet wide. Now, we're just steps to Shoreview Park and Barrie's beautiful Johnson's Beach in Kempenfelt Bay and the North Shore Walking Trail. Now, enough about the location. Let's get inside this house and have a closer look.
Welcome inside 57 Indian Arrow Road, again here in Barrie's phenomenal East End. Now the charming character that we talked about out front flows seamlessly outside right into this 4-level side split. We got a great front entryway with tons of storage. We have this phenomenal living space here with this huge picture window, tons of natural light flowing in and framing in those large mature trees that we love in this part of town. This floor plan flows seamlessly right into the dining space in behind me here. Again, a huge picture window, and it continues right into the kitchen and out into your backyard. Now upstairs, we have 3 generous sized bedrooms, all with massive windows again here, tons of natural light, and the cherry on top here is the recently updated 4-piece bathroom.
Now this 3rd level here certainly does not disappoint. All of the windows are above grade, bringing in a ton of natural light. It's a generous sized rec room and features a beautiful Napoleon insert, perfect for those winter evenings to enjoy movie night with both family, friends, and 4-legged friends. Now, what's really interesting is as we move towards the back of the home here, we have a very versatile space here. It can function as both an office or a 4th bedroom, but the office component is really quite interesting with a separate entrance that leads out to the side yard, which would be perfect for home occupation. And over and above that, it boasts a 2-piece bathroom as well. Now the best part is it doesn't stop here. We actually have an entire 4th level that we have not yet discovered. It includes a 3-piece bathroom, laundry, a ton of storage, and an additional bedroom to total those bedroom counts up to 4 or 5. Come and check it out.
Now, Steve, we hit on all of the phenomenal features that we have here in Barrie's coveted East End. And I mean, why wouldn't we? It's truly a spectacular part of town. So let's recap quickly. We've got everything you need from the hospital, the school. We've got all of your amenities at Barrie North Crossing, as well as highway access just 5 minutes away from here. We've got a phenomenal turnkey home here that could be something spectacular for somebody else who either wants to move in here and live right away or put their touch on it. But again, the charm and character continues out these double back doors into this multi-tiered backyard that, yes, is covered with snow right now, but come summertime, it is going to explode with color with the phenomenal perennial gardens. And then, of course, these trees continue back here as well. I mean, East End Barrie is spectacular.
Yeah, absolutely, Brendan. And here's the other thing that a lot of people, I don't think, necessarily understand is if you've been around this Barrie area for 3 or 4 decades, this is one of the most sought after areas for all those different reasons. You're also just a few minutes drive to the RVH, but really my favorite is a 5-minute walk down to Johnson's Beach and the North Shore Trail and Kempenfelt Bay. You just can't beat it. Now, we're the Knowles Woolsey team. We know the East End. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.